Hey guys, welcome back to Artistry Tips. Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to use a silicone practice hand. I got this hand from Amazon and it's just, yeah, it's like that. Like, you should just get it. Honestly, I know a lot of beginners, they use the other practice hand that you have to screw to the table. I mean, I have that one too and it served its purpose, but after using the silicone hand, like, I'm not going back. I'm going to have everything that I used in today's video linked in the description box as usual. But silicone hands just give you a way more realistic feel, and yeah. I'll also be showing you how to clean your hand. Mine is a little dirty because I had already used it before recording this, but yeah. So in the box, you get some nails and some instructions. I'll be showing you how to use this hand with the glueless method. There's no glue that I use when putting on the nails to practice on. I know it kind of sounds confusing, but you'll see what I'm talking about. So the first thing that I do is take this Gelish nail surface cleaner and these, it's like a cotton-free cotton pad. I don't really know what it's called, but I'll have it linked, and just I have a little bottle of alcohol. So the first thing that I do is just drench the pad in the solution and wipe down the nail beds, and then whatever I have left over, I'll proceed to the rest of the hand. Like, this hand just looks so real, and they have all different types of colors, and even the bottom of it. Like, this is the hand you need to be practicing on. So the next thing I do is just spray the entire hand with some alcohol and do the same thing, just wipe it down. And there you go, looking brand new, not dusty. Everything's looking good. Okay, so the next step that you want to do is grab some nail tips. These are just regular curved nail tips that I got off of Amazon. I know some beauty supplies have it, just some regular nail tips. And you want to just stick it in there. You kind of want to pinch at the top of the cuticle area to open up. It's like a hole inside the cuticle. I kind of show it in the very beginning of this video what it looks like, but you want to pinch that area so you can push the nail further in. So this nail is acting as the natural nail. This is not what you're going to be putting your either polygel or acrylic on. This is your natural nail. So you may see a lot of people on YouTube applying glue to the actual silicone hand and then adding their natural nail. However, I find that really is damaging, even though they have plenty of videos showing you can soak it off and all of that. But I recommend just doing this. And another tip for using this glueless method is to go up a size in the nail just so it doesn't move as much. But I mean, I have no troubles using these nails without glue. I actually find it a lot more convenient and easier. So for the sake of this video, I didn't put anything on the thumb, but this is how the nails look after applying your natural nail. So the next step that you want to do, of course, is start prepping. So you just want to take a sanding band and technically remove the shine. Like, this is your remove the shine step. Yeah, just to make it a little rough on the nail, so when you add your nail tip to your natural nail, it will stick. I'm also trying my hardest to not file the silicone part. So that's why you may see the nail lift up and not be on the nail bed, just because I'm stretching it and I'm trying to not file the silicone. Okay, so now that you remove the shine from each nail, you want to move on and add your nail tips. I use these clear Scottch'd nail tips. I will have it in the description box, of course. And now I just need to, measure the nail size, make sure it's going from sidewall to sidewall, apply glue, and yeah. And now you're all done. You're ready to take the next step and apply your product and finish your set. This is definitely meant for beginners. I'm going to show you right now how easy it is to remove the nail in case you make a mistake. When you use glue, you have to soak off the nail. Like, it's just way more convenient to use the glueless method. Definitely for beginners. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys buy a silicone hand, like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on social media. See you at the next video.